Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Geary County, southeastern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, Morris County, Waubonsee County, south central Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas, northwestern Lyon County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles west of Holland, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Manhattan, Wamego, Council Grove, Alma, Eskridge, Ogden, Grandview Plaza, St. George, White City, Alta Vista, Dwight, McFarland, Texaco, Allen, Admire, Wilsey, Parkerville, Bushong, Dunlap, and Council Grove Lake. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 301 and 334. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe